Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Introducing the 3M Small Hole Repair Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional quality repairs. This comprehensive kit contains every essential tool you need to fix holes with diameters up to 3 inches. Inside, you'll find an 8-ounce container of enhanced liquid wall repair compound, a 4-inch self-adhesive patch, a 3-inch putty knife, and a premium 3M sanding pad to leave your surface smooth and flawless after repair. Designed to work 3 times faster than conventional patching methods, this kit ensures a quick and efficient repair that remains crack-free, sag-free, and durable over time. The repair compound is easy to sand, delivering a seamless finish that blends naturally with your wall. Please note, this product is not recommended for use on structural joints or stress cracks. Upgrade your home repair toolkit with the 3M Small Hole Repair Kit and enjoy professional results every time. Discover a new era in drilling performance with this innovative 4-fluted step drill that outperforms traditional designs. While conventional step drills may bend during cutting, this model offers enhanced stability, delivering twice the lifespan of standard twist drills, along with significantly improved accuracy and faster cutting speeds, even in stainless steel. Crafted from high-speed M35 cobalt steel through expert heat treatment, it achieves high hardness, superior red hardness, and excellent wear resistance, making it ideal for hard materials. A state-of-the-art TILN coating provides high oxidation resistance, remarkable thermal durability, strong adhesion, low friction, and minimal heat conduction. Its increased lead angle, greater than 180 degrees, reduces self-wear and spreads stress more evenly. For continuous use, apply cutting oil or water spray to cool the bit and extend its life. Contact support for any quality concerns. Trust us. Introducing the all-in-one grinder that revolutionizes blade maintenance with precision and durability. Engineered to sharpen both single-beveled and double-beveled edges, this versatile machine is perfect for a wide range of cutting tools including kitchen knives, lawnmower blades, trimmers, branch cutters, fence trimmers, axes, sickles, small axes, scissors, and more. For peak blade performance, it offers a 5-part grinding system with 3 preset optimal angle slots, a custom tungsten carbide bar, and a premium ceramic bar. Every abrasive element has passed a rigorous 10,000 use test, guaranteeing they never dull. Its oversized, glove-friendly handle and large handguard offer superior safety, while the cast rubber handle and base deliver a secure, comfortable grip. This product meets the highest standards for efficient, affordable sharpening. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. A game-changing toolkit that sets a new standard for convenience and efficiency. A must-have for any discerning homeowner. Packaged in a compact 15-inch by 10.5 by 3.75-inch ABS plastic case, every component stays clean, organized, and ready to use. This impressive starter drill comes with a versatile range of components designed to meet numerous household needs. The comprehensive 27-piece toolset features robust chrome vanadium construction, ensuring lasting durability for everyday tasks. Each item is brand new and sealed in its original box, exactly as shown in the images, so you can be confident in its authenticity. In addition, the kit includes metric-size sockets and drill bits with a polished chrome finish, a non-slip rubber grip, and a cordless 12-volt drill with 21 adjustable speeds, plus an integrated LED light for enhanced precision. With its blend of practicality and style, this toolkit is designed to simplify your projects and elevate your home improvement experience. Discover a game-changing tool for your lawn care routine that truly stands apart from the rest. This impressive machine features a robust 12-amp motor designed to power through your yard with ease, covering a generous 12.6-inch swath in a single pass. The unit comes equipped with a 5-position adjustable depth control, enabling you to fine-tune its performance to suit your lawn's specific needs. One standout function is its scarified mode, which cleverly cuts through grass roots to promote a thicker, healthier turf over time. Additionally, its spring steel teeth work tirelessly to gather maximum clippings, leaving your lawn impeccably manicured. Rounding out its thoughtful design is a detachable straw bag, making disposal a breeze and ensuring that maintenance remains hassle-free. This tool is a testament to innovative design aimed at delivering professional results right in your backyard. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Step into a world of precise, portable power with the Dremel 7350, a tool designed for both the dedicated DIY enthusiast and the busy homeowner. With a 30% longer runtime than its predecessor, the 7300 model, this cordless wonder gives you extra working time on every project, whether you're tackling home improvements or intricate crafts. Its smooth, single-speed motor delivers a steady 12,000 RPM for impeccable control, making every cut, grind, and polish effortless. The rechargeable 4V lithium-ion battery, paired with a convenient micro USB charger, ensures it's always ready when inspiration strikes. Compact and lightweight, the 7350 is built for on-the-go versatility. Plus, it comes with a complete accessory kit, including a 4-volt cordless rotary tool, a 360-inch silicon carbide grinding stone, a half-inch sanding strips in both 60 and 120 grit, a half-inch polishing pad, a grinding head, and a USB cable, providing everything you need to bring your projects to life. The ideal blend of performance and portability with the Soccer 6-inch wireless mini chainsaw, a perfect gift for moms, friends, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who loves woodworking or gardening. This compact tool features a 6-inch cutting bar and a total steel plate length of 9 inches, allowing you to cut through thicker branches with minimal effort. It boasts a high-quality guide chain, precision-engineered for smooth, reliable cuts, and a robust, pure copper motor that delivers superior cutting efficiency and speed. The chainsaw runs on a rechargeable 20-volt 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery with 2 batteries available to keep you powered up and assembles in just 1 minute. Its smart, compact carrying case holds all essential accessories securely, while the upgraded motor offers longer runtime, increased torque, and enhanced durability to reduce wear over time. Enjoy a more effortless woodworking and garden maintenance experience with the Soccer 6-inch mini chainsaw. Introducing our innovative metal sheet cutting tool, engineered to easily attach to any standard drill. Designed for precision and versatility, it effortlessly slices through materials up to 2 millimeters thick, ensuring every cut yields clean, burr-free edges. This powerful accessory adapts seamlessly to a wide array of materials, from metal sheets, corrugated panels, pipes, and complex profiles, to powder-coated surfaces, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, formica, plastics, and fiberglass. Its exceptional 360-degree cutting capability allows you to navigate every angle, making both straight and circular cuts with remarkable accuracy. Whether you're tackling intricate templates or large curved shapes, this tool promises professional results every time. Plus, with a robust 2-year warranty backing its quality, you can confidently elevate your craftsmanship on every project. Elevate your drilling precision with our innovative cable railing drill guide pin, designed to effortlessly create 90-degree straight or vertical holes, as well as angled holes between 25 degrees and 45 degrees for wood posts. The package includes one drill guide featuring a set of 4 different template sizes that work with most cable railing hardware. Its 5/16-inch drill bit hole is compatible with the majority of 1/8-inch cable railing fixing screws. You can easily adjust the jack bolt to replace the fixed metal pipe with your desired size, and the clever gap between the drill bit and the pipe helps minimize wear during use. Made from transparent acrylic, the drill guide offers outstanding visibility, ensuring easy and accurate placement on your wood posts. It's lightweight and portable, making it a perfect companion for any project. For added stability and safety, we recommend using an F or C clamp. For a complete hidden wood cable railing system, explore our recommended Musada product combinations. A versatile, precision tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its 3-jaw universal chuck ensures a secure grip and hassle-free accessory swaps, accommodating shanks from 1/64-inch to 1/8-inch. Whether you're cutting, grinding, or engraving, the pen-like flexible shaft delivers precise control, while the cover shield and drill locator boost both safety and accuracy on wood and other materials. The diamond cutting wheel excels on glass, ceramics, and tiles, and an extra carbon brush is included to keep you going without delay. With a user-friendly variable speed dial offering 5 settings from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM, intricate details become effortless. Compact, lightweight, and ergonomically designed, this toolkit is perfect for sanding, polishing, cutting, shaping, drilling, and more. All components neatly reside in a durable, moisture-proof case, making the Goksui G4007 an excellent investment and an ideal gift for any craft lover. Step up your drilling game with a tool that's as powerful as it is versatile. Designed for large-scale applications, its full-sized half-inch chuck is built to handle even the most demanding jobs. Enjoy the flexibility of variable 2-speed gearing, paired with 20+1 clutch settings, allowing you to easily adjust speed and torque for every task. Crafted with all-metal gears, this drill consistently delivers dependable performance, no matter how tough the challenge. Plus, it's part of an extensive PowerShare family where one battery powers over 75 different tools. With variable speed controls for smooth starts and precision handling, an efficient LED light to illuminate your workspace, a compact 7-inch body weighing under 2 pounds, and an optimized grip zone featuring a micro-textured finish for superior comfort, this drill truly expands your range and capability without compromising on control.